Hi everybody, I'm Maria.
I'm Max.
And today we're very confused.
But excited about
80s!
We just watched a bunch of stuff by Andrew Huang. We're gonna try to write something. A hook, a riff,
we're gonna try
chorus.
to like a chorus or hook in 80s style because we love it. We're 80s babies.
Yes, in 30 seconds or less. 30
Yeah.
minutes or less. I don't know. Okay, so
Alright,
I'm just in Garageband.
Yep.
So I'm gonna go to 80s like beats, and then I'll just play through them, and you can just stop me if one like strikes your fancy.
A poppy song, right? Not like a Pet Shop Boys like.
Yeah, like not like a.
Think
in
faster,
the
can
city
we?
pressure. I'm trying to turn the tempo up. Come on. There we go.
Love it.
All right, let me just try a few different. I like the first one better.
I like the first one better.
This is like an added synth.
Yeah, an added synth. Okay, next one. This one sounds too much like
This is too
like there's cars, racing cars.
I think these synth bass at 3:30 just sounds like that.
Yeah. It's gonna be like little flourishes.
Let's see what it sounds like together. I wonder how many people made this exact song.
Yeah, probably. Too fast. Slow down the tempo.
Yeah, let's see what happens if I go to like a reasonable human tempo. I think it's still too fast. Hang on, let me try not to go so far. I like how this does the little...
What is happening?
I'm sorry.
I don't like the bass synth. It makes this one bad. I like this one.
it makes this one bad. It really does. Sorry, somehow it gets really out of sync when I like... I think, okay, let's just listen to some other...
Are there like non-bass synths? Like...
This is more like treble-y.
Yeah. That sounds like a Europop.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah. I am a butterfly.
Yeah.
Ooh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna come in here and make it like kind of just extend that like lick a little bit. I know there's a way. There we go. Okay, this is how you do. Do, 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 do. And then you can copy these notes.
Ah.
Let's see what that sounds like.
How about this one be 2 and the next one 2, 2?
Oh yeah, there you go. That's nice. Yeah, kind of let it build up a little. Just let it. Just save it. Save it.
So funny.
John Mulaney.
No.
There was a 7 of some kind. I need it. I'm sorry. I'm trying to just move this one note so it's not so discordant.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. That was changed it changed it to a major chord from like a diminished flat 3, 9, 11, 13, 17 chord. One thing I want to do is I want to make these ones go a little bit more like da 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 da, like a little faster. You know. Okay, and then I think it should go.
I think you should repeat this whole thing. Then the fourth one, do
does a
even higher.
nice. Like let it be the whole loop around one whole more time before it does the next thing. Like it. I like it. So let's see if there's any other like little synth effects that we kind of want to try to add. We absolutely need to add that somewhere.
No, it's terrible. Hate it.
Let's just see if it sounds good here. Terrible, hate it. Let's just see what it sounds like.
Okay.
Ooh, I like that one. Let me see if maybe there's a little place where you could put that as a little fill. Like as a quick little... Let's see what that sounds like. Okay, now maybe we can find a bass.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good like it weighs it, but then without like overpowering.
Yeah. What's our song about? It's about Occasional Dave. No, I don't think that's what it's about.
Occasional Dave. And his like life and his like morose life.
Occasional Dave. It was an occasional man.
That's 90s stuff.
That was an occasional man.
Occasional Dave.
And he shoved it in the Dave.
What does he do? Where does he go?
I feel like he's walking around the city.
Yeah.
And he's seeing all the things.
And like he's
that
blinded by
the
the lights, perhaps.
Okay. City Dave.
City Dave.
Walking around doing
Sustainable life. Sorry.
When first I was afraid, I was petrified. Now I feel. City Dave. There you go. That's it. That you got it. You nailed it. So it's like da 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 da. Yeah. Walking in the da da da. Okay, let's try. Walking down a lonely lane. And we just well, here's something about brick road.
Will he ever concrete?
Will he ever something concrete at the will he ever leave this concrete in his grave? I don't know. Will he ever
this concrete aftershave in the grave?
Will he ever leave this concrete like
today.
a grave? Are you here today? Let's make sure it works so far, and then we can sing it.
Perfect.
And then on popular demand, we can write another verse next time or whatever.
Yeah.
City Dave, walking down a lonely lane, never seem to catch a break. One day, the vegetable will fly away. Pressure rising in the air, wind is blowing through his hair. Will he never leave this concrete grave?
Occasional day, but city day. City day.
City day. Ow!
Yeah, good job.
Thank you, sir. It's been a pleasure working with you. We'll
straight to the top of the charts.
Straight to the top of the charts. Every generation throws a hero up the pop charts.
Alright,
All right.
thanks for watching.
Let us know what the hell you want us to do, because we're just gonna do whatever we want anyway. But it's it's up to you what that is. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense.
No.